Hey guys, it's TonyskalYT here. After a very long break, welcomed by my wonderful guest, Skully. And we will be demonstrating how to use a telekinesis gun. So Skully, would you get into the car?
Oh, the car.
Yeah.
My car. My quote, beautiful.
Bruh. Okay. This thing is very fragile. Okay. So, what the red lights mean when they're blinking, that means that you have to actually attach to something, and the controls are W, A, S, and D to move. And then you could use T to activate the magnets, like this. And then once the magnets are activated,
pull up.
You could aim up
higher.
a little bit.
I want to go in space. I want to go to space.
Okay. And then when the white lights are blinking, that means that you could press space to shoot, and then here you go. You get the glitched effect, and you can control whoever you want. Almost whoever.
God.
If you do it correctly. You could use the arrow keys to move like 10 times faster.
Oh God.
Oh, yeah, it also breaks really fast because of momentum.
Oh, that's really fast. Oh.
Yeah, it's really fast. Oh, yeah, you can also use Q and E to extend and retract.
Let's go again.
Alright.
Okay, there.
We. Oops. I will have the blueprint description, or the blueprint in the description of the video. So, when you want to actually use this thing, you have to be very careful of where you spawn your vehicles and how fast you ram into someone.
Okay.
Wee.
Okay. Is it where?
You spin me right round, baby, right round.
Is it copyright?
It's not copyright because I sing it. It's like 4 seconds too.
Wait, you can. Oh
yeah, I can make you go up and down and spin and stuff.
No, make me go to space. Like, bring me all the way up.
Oh, okay, yeah. Get just a seat and I can fling you into space.
I think I'm gonna hit them. You probably tested it out before.
Destructor or an armored seat.
Oh, an armored. Oh, yeah, true.
Because that would break really easily.
True.
And in this next clip, I'll be showing everyone how to fling your friends into the next galaxy.
No, you mean the next dimension?
Next dimension. What? Sure. Into orbit. With small objects, it can be a little challenging. And here we go. If I just, if you move it, if you don't.
Yeah, I'm gonna zoom out and look from the top, and then I'm gonna try to become dizzy.
If you don't move the cannon, for like quite some time, the seat or whatever you're attached to will actually move farther away from you.
Whoa.
And this gets pretty powerful too, if you couldn't tell.
Wow, the music started playing. I don't like the music. Wait, is the music copyright?
I don't think so, since it's like by Trailmakers. If you can see from my perspective, which might be hard, this guy is going really fast.
And by my perspective, you'll see how fast.
Oops. See still, and I'll fling you again. And if you go watch Skully's video, you can see how fast he actually is going. Which is gonna be really good. So everyone, if you're still watching, go check out Skully.
Yeah, I'm garbage. My channel has like barely any subscribers. All my videos are pretty much cringe.
Same.
Man, I'm too.
I just have Trailmaker tutorials.
All I have is like cringy like guitar videos.
It's not that bad.
No, like really cringy. Oh, there we go. Oh God. Oh, 2,000 kilometers an hour.
And I sent him flying.
I'm not too far. I probably could drive back.
Yeah,
but,
I guess.
I mean, I'll be there in a minute.
Okay, you're gonna be there in a minute. That seems fine.
I'm gonna fly in a my Chinook thing. Why not?
Chinook thing. Okay.
Yeah.
I think that we have gone over every single feature of the telekinesis gun, right?
Wait, can I try it?
Yeah, you
On
wanna
you?
try it? Sure.
Oh,
Backspace. And I'll spawn in for you, and you can fling me so that we get a perspective. Oops.
Oh, I need to spawn this.
And I will get just an armored seat.
Oh,
Actually, I'll get a
this
VIP
is actually.
seat. I think that
Whoa.
use WASD to move.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay, yeah. Oh, I just wanted to see how fast this actually was.
Alright.
So, how do I do this?
E, to extend. T, to attract.
Oh.
Not
oh my god.
R.
I'm so bad.
E, T.
T. Oh.
Okay, respawn.
The armored seat. I mean the
VIP
this
seat is
It's too fat. It's too fat.
It's too fat. I think it's the same size. No, it's armored seat's still a bit smaller.
It's like it's taller.
Yeah.
It's a bit smaller.
Okay, T.
So T.
And then aim up a little bit with W, and then space. Oh, move really fast side to side because it got stuck. Yeah,
Wait, are you in?
No, I'm not. Press R again. Okay.
Oh
Bruh.
god. Oh, whoa. Well, how did that happen?
I wonder. Bruh.
Oh, whoa. Oh, I'm using arrow keys. I'm stupid.
Okay, try to get the thing above. Okay, W and then space.
There. Oh, that's.
You're supposed to get like the nozzle thing over me, not directly.
Oh, okay. Oh.
I don't know what it's called. Sometimes that happens. It's fine. Just the barrel. Oh yeah, perfect. Just like that. Up and then space.
Goodbye.
Good enough. And then stay still for a little bit. Oh, okay, that works. I'm going 500 constant 500 kilometers per hour. Okay, don't move for a little bit so that I go closer to the seat. Bro. What are you doing?
I think I broke it.
No, it's fine. Just arrow keys. Use arrow keys.
They're not working.
Do it more. Maybe
Wait.
Q. Press Q.
Q?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh,
it
no.
completely broke. Okay.
Okay, let's try that again.
Hold on. I think that kind of concludes it for this video, because this video is pretty long, huh?
Already 8 minutes. That felt like 2 minutes.
That felt like 2 minutes, yeah. Okay, one more, and we can end the video. Here.
I'm gonna smack you.
No, come on.
I'm gonna smack you.
No,
Okay.
no, man.
Here.
T?
Oh my gosh! How did I mix that up?
T?
Hey, listen.
I don't think I'm attached. Oh, there we go. Oh, dude, that's such a good attachment in space.
Okay, I'm gonna let you
me
go.
be still for a little bit. Yeah, I'll tell
I'm
you.
gonna let you be like almost. Wait, imagine if I let you be to the world border.
Bro, that is impossible because the thing would break at the world border, or it wouldn't be able to go that far. Oh god. Oh god.
I heard that. Oh no.
Yo.
No, it broke again. It broke again.
But it still works.
No. I almost got it out.
Oh,
Oh, yes, I got it out.
Dude.
Where are you? Where are you?
I'm right here. I'm behind
flying.
you. Here, spin really fast left to right, and then,
oh no.
Bro.
I'm using... Okay, here, I'm trying to get it out. Don't get out.
Okay.
Don't get out of your seat. I'm trying to get it out.
I could probably try to do it. Oh god. Here, okay. I think that's good enough. Just use the arrow key. Do you need help? I think...
Oh wait, it almost came out. It just came out for a second. Oh,
right.
well, goodbye.
Okay.
Oh wait, what if I just do this? Does it
I don't
work?
think that would work.
Oh, it got out.
It
It got
did.
out.
Okay, sweet.
Okay, now just spin.
Okay. Yeah, just spin really fast.
Wait, should I go up a bit? There.
Yo, yeah. I think that I got the axis wrong, so it isn't gonna spin correctly.
Oh, I think it. Whoa. I think mine's upside down. Yeah, I think it's upside down.
Oh, that's why it isn't spinning correctly. All right.
Okay, there. Now it's right.
Dude.
Whoa. Wee.
Dude, this glitch is literally so cool. It's super easy.
Oh, 10 minutes. My video is 10 minutes.
Mine too. Okay.
Oh god.
Here, just fling really quick. Okay, press R. Press R, press R. Yo, I just got launched. Okay. For the people in this video, hold on. If you use the zero drag seats, you could get launched a whole lot farther. And if you don't know how to use zero drag, check out some of the other Trailmaker tutorials on my channel, where I teach you guys how to use zero drag. And this has been Tony with
Skully.
in today's tutorial after more than a year.
Tutorial
of how to use the telekinesis gun. If you guys like this tutorial, then leave a like, and if you want to talk to me, then just leave a comment. And I don't remember my outro because it's been over a year, so see ya.
I have no outro.